Hi everyone, Zach here, and welcome to the prep video for lesson 47 in this series on developing a survival game. This video and this series have been brought to you by Patreon sponsors like Haas. All you have to do to support this channel is hit that like button down below, or that subscribe and notify bell as well. And if you want to take your support just a bit further, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon. In today's tutorial, we'll begin designing and working on our procedural generator. This will be used to spawn in our trees and our herbs. To do so, we need to understand nested loops. So really briefly, let's go over what are nested loops. So on the left here, we have an image taken from the actual prep file for today's lesson. In it, you can see that we have an outer loop commented on and an inner loop. So a nested loop consists of an outer loop, or the slow loop, and an inner loop, or the fast loop. The reason why the inner loop is considered the fast loop is that it must go through all the indices that it contains before the outer loop can iterate to the next index. So, for example, if we are going to spawn in 5 different resources, and we're going to spawn in 10 of each, it will start on the outer loop, and it will go, all right, I have 5 resources. At indices 0, I am spawning in 10. It will run the loop inside the spawn resources 10 times. Then it will come back out here and go, I have something else to do. I have a second resource. And it'll go to indice 1, and it will spawn however many we have. Say it's 10 again, so it will spawn 10. So the inner loop will go through all of the indices it has to go through before the outer loop can proceed to the next indice. The loops will complete out once the outer loop has gone through all of its indices. All right, that takes us through nested loops and what we need to know for this video. Once again, this series has been brought to you by Patreon sponsors. I look forward to seeing you in the tutorial proper, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.